Good morning. In this video, I'm going to show you how to say good morning in 6 different languages, apart from English. If you are new to this channel, my name is Dee. I create educational and entertaining content, as well as videos on personal development. So without further ado, let's get the party started, shall we? 早上好. There are 3 characters here. 早上 means morning, and 好 means good. 早上好. 早上早上早上早上 Bonjour 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 Guten Morgen Guten Morgen Buongiorno Buongiorno Buenos días Buenos días Buenos días Buenos días. So that's all we have for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you either enjoyed it or find it useful, and I look forward to seeing you in my next one.